everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this crispy, delicious fried lobster recipe. Before I get started with the recipe, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button if you enjoy the video, and without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. Alright guys, here are the ingredients. I will leave the measurement below in the description box for you guys. Here I have about 3 tablespoons of red hot sauce, a teaspoon of lemon pepper, 1 lemon, and these right here are the seasoning for the lobster. I have a tablespoon of adobo seasoning, a teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. And here I have 3 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Also I have 2 eggs. I'll be using 1, not 2. And here I have about a cup of all-purpose flour. I have about 1 cup of buttermilk. And also we have 2 lobster tails that we'll be using. And of course you cannot forget your oil to fry it in. I'm using peanut oil for this recipe. First thing I'm going to make is my aioli sauce. I'm using a 1/4 cup of mayo, a teaspoon of lemon pepper, and also I'm using 1 lemon juice in there. Just squeeze it in, mix it together, and boom. Also, if you want to make this spicy, you can just add some hot sauce to it. And basically this is it. We're going to set it aside while we work on the lobster. For the lobster, it's pretty easy to remove the shell. I'm going to use my kitchen shears just to cut the shell just like that and just basically remove it. While we're removing the shell from the lobster, I want to take this time to say thank you to every single one of you guys who've been rocking with me since 2020 going to 2021. Thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys who actually comment and like and watch my videos. And if you are new, please be sure to subscribe. Do not forget to do that. Also, click the bell. That's how you will be notified whenever I upload a brand new recipe. Okay, look how easy it is to just remove the meat, the lobster meat, from the shell. Now once I'm done, I went ahead and washed this up with a little bit of lemon, and then we're going to start seasoning it. To season it, I'm going to mix all of the seasoning that I showed you guys earlier and just sprinkle it all over the lobster just like that. And now I am going to add my hot sauce. I'm using red hot sauce, and it's not going to be spicy, guys. It's going to be very flavorful. Also, I'm going to add my mustard in, and also I'm adding 1 egg, not 2 like I told you guys. But the egg, make sure you whisk the egg prior to adding it to this. Okay, now I'm adding my buttermilk. Y'all, this is legit Popeye's flaky seafood. You know how you order shrimp from Popeye's and you see that nice flakiness on there? This right here, this buttermilk with the egg mixed together, this is Popeye's made at home. For real, you have to try this out. Now once I'm done mixing that together, I'm going to cover it, let it sit for about 30 minutes to actually, you know, marinate into that goodness. And then we're going to remove it from that mixture. We're going to dredge it with some flour before we fry it. Don't overdo it with the flour. Okay, just sprinkle the flour on there because I like to actually taste the meat, not just the breading. You don't need to season the flour. If you want, you can, but I didn't season the flour at all. And let me tell you, if y'all see my shrimp recipe, you don't need to season the flour. Just trust the process, okay? Once I was done dredging the lobster in the flour, we're going to give it a nice shake to remove any excess flour. Then we're going to fry it. I'm frying these on 350 degrees oil. Make sure it's nice and hot, but not too hot where it's like cooked before the meat actually cooked through. So 350 is the max I will go with the temperature wise. Then we're going to let that cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until they're nice and golden brown and crispy, just how we like them. And make sure to keep turning them over because you know you want both sides to cook equally. So flip them over and let them cook. And one thing I have noticed, they kind of curled up a little bit. If you guys know how to prevent that, let me know. I feel like every time I cook lobsters, they always curled up. I do have another lobster recipe. I will put it on the card for you guys if you're interested. But every time I cook them, they always curled up into a little ball. But basically, this is how they look. They're extremely crispy and so delicious. Do not forget your aioli sauce because you need it for the lobster. This is it. Hope you enjoy it and actually try this out. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and of course give the video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.